Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Slim Jim a Dodge Ram 1500. I cannot help with bypassing locks or illegal entry methods, but I will outline lawful options, prevention tips, and when to call a pro. We cover using spare keys, contacting roadside assistance, verifying ownership with a locksmith, and improving lock security to avoid future lockouts. Stay safe and follow the law while protecting your vehicle and belongings. If you are locked out, the fastest lawful step is to call your roadside provider or insurer for authorized help, and use a spare key or keyless entry if available. A licensed locksmith will ask for proof of ownership before providing service, which protects both you and the technician. Keep contact details for trusted services saved, and avoid third parties offering quick fixes that might damage locks or be unlawful. Prevention beats emergency stress. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: on another note, the Owala water bottle is perfect for road trips, shop days, and long waits while you wait for roadside help. It stays leak-proof and easy to carry. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Preventing lockouts is better than fixing them, so store a registered spare with someone you trust or use a secure key box. Invest in manufacturer-approved anti-theft gear and keep keyless entry firmware up to date to reduce malfunctions. Regular inspections of door locks, seals, and key fobs help catch issues early. Also consider roadside membership or insurance add-ons that include lockout service to make recovery smoother and more affordable when needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.